Translating a video involves converting the spoken language and on-screen text of a video from one language to another while maintaining the visual and auditory elements of the original video. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to translate a video. ***1. Prepare the materials. Obtain the video file. Make sure you have the video file in a format that you can work with. Transcription. If the video doesn't already have subtitles or a script, you might need to transcribe the spoken content. ***2. Choose a translation method. Human translation. You can hire professional translators who are fluent in both the source and target languages. They can provide high-quality translations that accurately convey the meaning. Machine translation. Alternatively, you can use machine translation tools like Google Translate or specialized video translation software. Keep in mind that while machine translation is faster and more cost-effective, it may not always provide the same level of accuracy as human translation, especially for nuanced content. ***3. Create or edit subtitles. If the video doesn't have subtitles, you'll need to create them. You can use video editing software or specialized subtitle creation tools. If you're using machine translation, you'll likely need to edit the generated subtitles for accuracy and readability. Pay attention to timing and synchronization with the audio. ***4. Overlay or embed subtitles. Depending on your video editing software, you can overlay the translated subtitles onto the video or embed them into the video file itself. Many video programs like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and even free editing software like Handbrake allow you to add subtitles. Ensure that the translated subtitles are easy to read and properly synchronized with the audio. ***5. Review and quality control. Watch the entire video with the translated subtitles to check for any errors, timing issues, or visual problems. Pay attention to cultural nuances and context to ensure that the translation is accurate and culturally appropriate. ***6. Export the translated video. Once you're satisfied with the translated video, export it in the desired format and resolution. Ensure that the video file size and quality meet your requirements. ***7. Distribute or share the translated video. Depending on your purpose, you can now distribute or share the translated video through your chosen platform or medium, whether it's for educational, entertainment, or informational purposes. ***8. Optional voiceover or dubbing. If you want to go a step further, you can also consider dubbing or voiceover in the target language. This involves re-recording the audio with voice actors who speak the target language. This is a more complex process than subtitles and requires specialized recording and editing equipment. Remember that video translation can be a time-consuming process, especially when aiming for high quality and accuracy. The choice between human and machine translation depends on your budget, time constraints, and the specific requirements of your project.